What if skipping one $5 coffee a day could make you a millionaire? Sounds crazy, right? How? Keep watching. It's simple. Small daily savings, consistently invested, grow exponentially via compound interest. That's the whole trick. $5 a day equals $1,125 a year. Over 30 years, you've contributed $54,750 total. That's your baseline. At a 7% average annual return, that $54,750 grows to over $200,000 in 30 years. Compound interest does the heavy lifting. Stretch it to 40 years, and it balloons to over $400,000. Time is the real multiplier, but you've got to invest. Keeping cash under the mattress loses to inflation. Put that money in assets like stocks. Consistency beats amount. Saving $5 daily is way easier to automate than finding lump sums. It builds a habit that sticks. Every $5 you blow on trivial items could be $30 or more lost in future growth. That's the real price of that quick snack. Automate your savings so you don't need willpower. Set it and forget it. Your future self handles the rest. Investing the same $5 regularly buys more shares when prices are low, less when they're high. It smooths out risk automatically. Let's look at two people. Jane saves $5 a day from age 25 to 65. John starts at 35. By retirement, Jane has roughly $1 million. John has about half that. The difference? 10 years and $5 a day. This is the Latte Factor, from David Bach. That daily coffee, the soda, the snack, it's small. But when you invest that $5 instead, it turns into a huge pile of money. Every little purchase is a choice. Inflation makes $5 less valuable tomorrow. But here's the good news. The stock market has historically returned about 7% per year. That's more than double inflation. Your money actually grows in real terms when you invest it. You don't need to be a stock picker. Use low-cost index funds like the S&P 500. They give you a slice of hundreds of companies. One buy, instant diversification. Set it and forget it. Put that money in a Roth IRA or a 401k. In a Roth, you pay taxes now, but every gain grows tax-free. In a 401k, you get a tax break today. Either way, you keep more of what your money earns. Every milestone counts. When you see your first $100 saved, it feels good. That small win builds momentum. You start to believe you can do this. Psychology is half the battle. Here's where it gets fun. As your balance grows, the annual returns become bigger than what you put in. The money starts working harder than you do. That's the snowball effect in action. Remember that $5 coffee? Over 40 years, invested at 7%, it becomes over $200,000. That's the math. That's how saving $5 a day makes you rich. Small daily habit. Time. Smart investing. That's the recipe for financial freedom. It's simple, but it's not easy. You have to start and then stay consistent, that's all. So start with $5 today. Automate it into a low-cost index fund. Set it and don't touch it. Your future self will thank you. If this clicked, subscribe for more wealth tips.